Hello students, we all know that our blood consists of a red color pigment called as hemoglobin that is present in RBC. This hemoglobin is responsible for transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the lungs and tissues. Now, how does hemoglobin picks up oxygen near the lungs and leaves the tissues, simultaneously picks up carbon dioxide near tissues and leaves near the lungs? Now, this mechanism can be explained by the Bohr effect and the Haldane effect. Let us see what is Bohr and the Haldane effect. To understand the Bohr effect and the Haldane effect, we have to understand how the gases are transported between the lungs and tissues. The oxygen is transported in the blood in the form of oxyhemoglobin, meaning the oxygen that is bound to the hemoglobin. One hemoglobin can carry a maximum of 4 oxygen molecules, whereas the carbon dioxide is transported in the blood in the form of bicarbonate ions. The affinity of hemoglobin to bind with oxygen is affected by 3 factors, which includes the partial pressure of carbon dioxide, the pH of blood and the temperature in the blood. Now let us begin with the tissue region. Near the tissue region, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is more, since the tissues release carbon dioxide out of respiration. The carbon dioxide that is entering into the blood by diffusion moves into the red blood cells and reacts with water to form the carbonic acid. The carbonic acid, being unstable, splits into bicarbonate ions and the protons. The bicarbonate ions move out of RBC and dissolve in the plasma and are transported towards the lungs, whereas the protons that are present or that are formed here will attack the oxyhemoglobin. Upon the attack of protons on the oxyhemoglobin, the hemoglobin loses its affinity to bind with oxygen, thereby the oxygen is set free and it is diffused into the tissues. So here we have to understand that as the partial pressure of carbon dioxide increases, the amount of protons increases, meaning the pH decreases, leading to acidosis. The decrease in pH will affect or will reduce the affinity of hemoglobin to bind with oxygen, so the oxygen is set free. This is called as the Bohr effect. The Bohr effect explains the reduced affinity of hemoglobin to bind with oxygen, the decrease in pH. To talk about Haldane's effect occurs near the lungs. Near the lungs, usually the partial pressure of oxygen is more and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is less. Here, the bicarbonate ions enters into the RBC and reacts with protons to form carbonic acid. The carbonic acid, again being unstable, splits into carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide diffuses into lungs and it is exhaled. So here the amount of protons decreases, meaning the pH will increase. The increased pH will increase the affinity of hemoglobin to bind with oxygen. So this explains the Haldane effect. The decrease in partial pressure of carbon dioxide will increase the pH, thereby the affinity of hemoglobin to bind with oxygen increases. This is how the Bohr effect and the Haldane effect will explain the affinity of hemoglobin to bind with oxygen. Make your concept stronger and stay ahead in your learning journey. Join me and other subject experts on the Tutor app for daily free concept classes. Download the app now.